1,200 force for the government LP school. Government LP school are again now. Teachers for we have already MTET pass candidate. We have decided to recruit at the earliest possible. The former advertisement and notification will be out on Friday. Friday is on which date? 14. Friday is on 14. On 14, the advertisement for recruiting more than 1,200 plus government and school vacancies will be out for all the MTET pass candidates in the state, in all the subdivisions of the state.
Any timeline that the government has fixed to fill up these vacant posts?
We will, the same one?
Yes.
No, once the advertisement is plotted out, it will not take time. We will try to finish all this process in maximum 2 months. Maybe we even try to finish before 15 August also. But I don't know. Let's work out it as early as possible. But we will finish all the process. We'll complete all the process in next 2 months.